Why is it important to prevent freezing with faucet drip rate?
Hello, folks. Today, we're diving into a crucial winter hack that could save you time, money, and prevent potential disaster. Understanding why it's important to prevent freezing with a faucet drip rate. You might have heard this advice before. Let your faucets drip during extreme cold weather, but do you know why? Let's explore.
What happens when pipes freeze?
During the winter months, especially when temperatures fall below freezing, the water inside your pipes can freeze. This isn't just an inconvenience, it can be a significant problem. As water freezes, it expands. This expansion places pressure on your pipes from the inside, which can cause them to crack or burst. If this happens, you could end up with water damage in your home, costly repair bills, and a massive headache.
How does a dripping faucet prevent freezing?
Dripping faucets can help prevent this unfortunate scenario. You might be wondering, how does that work? When you let your faucet drip, you're maintaining a continuous flow of water. Even though it's small, this flow can prevent freezing by not allowing the water to remain stationary and reach freezing temperatures. It's akin to keeping a river from freezing over by ensuring it continues to flow.
What is the ideal faucet drip rate?
It's essential to strike a balance when setting your faucet to drip. The goal is to prevent freezing, not waste water. The ideal drip rate will depend on how cold it is outside. However, generally, a drip rate of around 5 to 10 drips per minute should be sufficient to keep water moving through the pipes and prevent freezing. In conclusion, setting your faucet to a steady drip rate in freezing conditions can save you from the disaster of a burst pipe. Remember, water expands when it freezes, and by maintaining a steady drip rate, you keep the water moving, reducing the chance for it to freeze and expand. Here's to a warm, dry winter season. Stay safe, everyone, and take these preventive steps to protect your home. We hope this video has been insightful and helpful for you.